Friends interested in intelligent equipment for prefabricated buildings. Today we will take you to fully understand ZMDE. Its core products are divided into two major sectors: the Intelligent Industrial Mother Machine for steel structure prefabricated buildings and the Industrial Software Intelligent Control System. The star product, the H/T section steel assembly, welding, and straightening integrated machine, replaces 3 machines with 1, can be operated by 1 to 2 people, saves 50% on electricity costs, requires no groove processing, achieves one-time forming with hot welding and hot straightening, serves over 20 industries, and has a fast-responding maintenance team. The welding robot workstation is intelligent and efficient, features no-teach programming, handles multiple small orders, can be operated by ordinary workers, reduces labor costs by 70%, and is durable and easy to maintain. Additionally, there are over 30 products including the new wall panel production line for prefabricated buildings, CNC flame/plasma cutting machines, CNC plane drills, etc., which are highly intelligent, have strong technical capabilities, hold 56 invention patents, and offer attentive service. ZMDE provides efficient steel structure processing solutions for multiple industries, with excellent quality and trustworthiness.